This is one hottest undervalued Nigerian finance stocks I'm holding forever. I've been buying this stock now for over 2 years and I'm not stopping, even though it seems like the stock is not growing massively in terms of capital appreciation, but this is a very good stock. For the end of this video, I'm going to show you the reason why I'm still buying this stock. I'm accumulating this stock and I'm not selling it. And this is not your normal GTB banks and UBA banks. No, this is an investment bank stocks that is very solid. And if you will notice that right now S&P Dow Jones have really acknowledged the performance of Nigerian stock market, which shows that by next year they have put it on their watch list. By next year, we're going to have more inflows of foreign portfolio investors. And when this guy enter into Nigerian market, they are not just going to be gambling. They're going to look for liquid stocks, not illiquid stock, not stock that when they buy now to be able to sell it is going to be very hard for them. And this is one of the stocks that I believe so much that we get the attentions of these foreign portfolio investors. We're going to see a massive movement in the Nigerian stock market in our capital market next year, more than we see this year. Why? Because now our capital market is already showing a very positive momentum, positive interest by foreigners. Okay, and one of the things you need to realize that when these guys come, we need them in our economy because when they come like that, they are coming with a dollar, and if they come, they're going to change their dollar to naira, and we should make our naira to be very strong. So this is one of the stock that many investors are ignoring in the market. All right, if you're meeting me for the first time, this is Coach David FCBA, and on this channel, I teach you how to be profitable, how to make real money for the Nigerian stock market. All right, hit the notification button right now, hit the subscription button so that anytime I drop super amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you will be notified. So let's dive in immediately. Okay, so disclaimer before we start. This is not a financial advice. Please kindly do your due diligence before you invest your hard-earned money. Everything you see me do here is based on my personal research. Please kindly do your due diligence before you invest your hard-earned money. I love this stock so much. All right, let's dive in. So, like I said this stock has been paying dividend consistently, and its yield right now is around 5 to 6%. So their dividend yield right now, because me as an investor, I'm very interested in what is the yield of these stocks. So if I put in my 1 million naira investment, how much is the yield? Not even about the yield, the fundamentals. These are real businesses. So in terms of business, they also dominate. Okay, so let's dive in. So I wonder why this stock is not flying, because what I'm about to show you on this stock will blow your mind. Their number are really crazy. I think the reason most time that's one of the reasons why we say you can't actually time the market, because most time the stocks that you think will do really well, may just be dragging until it just enter into that peak season where it begin to trend. And this is one of the stock that is also showing the same patterns that MTN showed and also Dangote Sugar before they ended up entering their all-time high. Okay, so the best time to buy this stock right now is now, like right now, because once investors saw this stock, boom, you will not get a chance to buy again at this offer price. And this is very true. Okay, so let's even go to the all share index to see what is going on. Right, as we can see now, we see a little pullback from all share index. So today it declined by 0.41%. Right, so from as at July 20, it was trading around 248,000 basis point, but now we are seeing a little pullback back to 246,000 basis point. But that should not make us to be worried. We are still not in a bearish season, right? The moment they begins to pull back to 200,000 basis point, then we can say we are still in the berry. But what I see right now is just temporal corrections, right? Which give us confidence that there is still massive opportunities in the market. See, if you can see the numbers, if you can see opportunities before the crowd see it, you are going to make a lot of money from the Nigerian stock market, right? If you can understand how the pattern works, how to see opportunity before the crowd see. Today, First Bank is the talk of the day. Why? Because when people are buying at 50 naira zone, I remember very well when I recommended First Bank in our community, it was trading around 55 naira, 50 naira thereabout. But today First bank has gone up, right? So you must be able to track the movement of the elephant move, which is institutional investors, earlier, before the crowd. So the crowd now, they are the one that are buying higher, right? They are buying higher. So you need to know that. So let's go back to our okay. So, and the name of this stock is United Capital. I know that you're about to jump out now and you want to go and buy the stock, but be very careful, because in buying this stock, I have a specific price for it. I remember the last video I did here, I told you that, when this stock actually buying alert, that is when I'm going to buy. Fortunately, it pulled back. That's give me an opportunity to be able to buy. So watch this video today so that you will know when exactly I'm buying this stock. Because now that I just say, look up, you want to go and buy. No, listen to me and know the price go that I want to use to buy it, right? So let's go back to their fundamentals. As you know, I love fundamentals very, very, very well. I love fundamentals. So let's look at their numbers. Boom. So we are here now. This is half year 2026, right? So this is the half year 2026. Their Q1 has been good and their Q2 great. So let's look at the number. Their gross earnings increased by 58%. If you see it here now, in last year, full year was around 23.7%, but right now it's 37.4 billion. Let me even not jump ahead of myself. Let me not jump ahead of myself. Okay, so this is it. Right. So if you look at their gross earnings after they have removed, their expenses and all that. So from 23.7 billion, now it has moved to 37.4 billion. That's massive jump. So let's quickly do the calculation. Like, I'm someone who love numbers, right? I love numbers alone, a lot, right? So 37.4, then 23.7 should give us 13 divided by uh 23.7 times 100, which means that their gross earning increased by 57%. 57%. Half year of 2025 was 23 billion, then now 37.4 billion. So their gross earnings alone increased by 57%. See, when you are investing, you don't just invest because somebody tell you to like. I love numbers alone. This one just give me confidence that in just 6 months, right? In just 6 months, they have increased their gross earnings by 57%. Massive, massive. A lot of you just jump on stocks without fundamentals because somebody just say that you go and buy. No, that's not how to be profitable. Then their net investment income moved from 9.5 billion to 13.8 billion. This is massive. So the totality of their investment income, that's the totality of their investment income. So if you want to get it now, so let's look at their fee and commission. Remember, okay. I One of the things you need to know about this business, when I say United Capital, one of the things you need to realize about this business is that they are investment bank. They are not commercial banks. Okay, so we have commercial banks. We deal with your daily deposit and savings, but this one they are specifically for people who want to invest. Okay, so meaning that they are generating a lot of income, and if you look at their fee and commission right now, you see that it has increased for 11, just they make over 14.2 billion naira from just fee and commission. Meaning that if you use their platform to buy shares, use it to buy treasury bills, use it to buy mutual fund, use it to buy equity fund, use it to buy all those things, the amount of money they generated in just 6 months from January to June is 14.2 billion. Guys, this is crazy. Then their totality of their trading income, meaning the money that they use to trade. See where it gets interesting. Wow, I love this. From 419 million to 4.9. So in other words, they trade. Remember that I told you that they are investments. So the totality of the money that they use to trade, the amount of money they make from 419 to 4.9 billion net operating income. Net operating income, which means the totality of the money that they generated, right, from their operations, core operations, it moved from 21.3 to 33 points. This one is very, very interesting. And much, I'm really, really interested in this, that net operating income. It means that they are making money from their core operations. It's just like a bank now. If a bank is making money from real estate, right? Even though that could be a subsidiary, that means that, and they are losing money in their corporation, it means that they are not profitable. It's a red flag for me naturally, because why? They are not making money for their corporation. For these guys are making real money for their corporations, right? Even the fee and commissions, yes, they are making money, right? Their investment income, they are making money for. But from that corporations, they are making real money, which is around 33 billion naira, 33 billion. So how much in percentage is that? I love numbers, guys. 33.04 and 21.3, okay, divided by 21.3. I love this. 55%. They made about 55% in terms of net operating income. Their corporation, they are making money from it. They are making real money from it. Then other losses income, their losses move from 43 million to 222. That means there's a decline, right? Then their total revenue now move from 23.7 to 37. This is crazy, man. I love this. I'm not emotionally attached, but I'm just telling you that if you want to make money, you must be able to calculate numbers. You must be able to calculate numbers, right? Calculate numbers. All right. Then profit for the year. Okay. So profit for the year move from 11.8 to 21 billion. Let's do something. Let's calculate the return on investment. Let's even look, if I invest 100 naira into this company, right? How much am I going to make in return? Let's do that. So what we're going to do right now is to do profit for the year divided by equity fund, the total equity fund, which is I think equity fund, yeah, which is the totality of all the shareholders fund. So we're just going to do 21.09, right, divided by, let's look for the totality, the total equity now. I'm looking, let me look for the total shareholders fund. Yeah, total shareholders fund. So this should show that this even showed me that there's a confidence. It moved from 149 to 187, which shows that investors are really putting their money into this company. Why? Because they believe in the fundamental, they believe in the core business of this company, which is give us confidence. So if you look at the total shareholder funds now, so the divided by 187.08, right? This is good. So the return on equity is still around 11.2%, right? So meaning that if I invested 100,000 naira, if I invested 100 naira now, I'm seeing any back in terms of investment, I'm seeing any like 11 naira, which is still good for me, still good for me. And what really gets me interesting is their cash and cash equivalents. Guys, most people are not looking at numbers. They just look at their half and say, okay, this stock has done 10% today. I believe that it will do 15% or 30% tomorrow. Let me just quickly buy. No, there's no difference between you and gamblers. So if you want to understand how I actually calculate all these things, how I get all these stocks before the crowd really see it, right? Join our wealth creation network community. Inside that community, you will be seeing me doing this step by step. Beyond all these things that I'm doing, I don't have so much time here to be showing you this thing. But inside that community, you'll be able to understand how I analyze stocks before I even call it a buy, right? You also have access to our early recommendations. Okay, early recommendation. I've recommended about 4 stocks right now in the last 2 days, right? This stock now is in fact, most of this stock now, they are even it's like nobody's buying it, but we're already buying it gradually. By the time it blow up now, that is when all of you will now start rushing and start buying, right? Get early buying order inside our community, early buying order. So if you want to join, just open the comment section. There's a link there, that our website, that will take you directly to our community. Click on it and boom. It's not free, as you know. You join our community, then you have access. Then we also have monthly webinars. Every single month, I do a monthly webinar with our community to show them the stock we are buying every single month and where the economic trend is going, how to take advantage of it. So you are going to be learning a lot. You're also going to be added to our close WhatsApp community where you can have access to me. Reach out to me if you have any other question, and also I'll be help you to reshuffle your portfolio. Immediately you join, I'll be able to tell you they want to sell off, they want to buy, and they want to keep. You can see the testimonial, right? So this is not abracadabra. So if you want to join us, yeah, Just open the comment section, you have access to it. So let's get back to this. So let's look at their cash and cash equivalent, guys. When I was analyzing this stock yesterday, I'm like, wow, we need to jump in right now, right now, right now. So cash and cash equivalent is around from 287 billion to 400.8 billion. Mass. It's like 50% jump on their cash and cash equivalent. And I'm not surprised, right? If you look at their uh, net trading income, you see that there was a massive jump from 419 million to 4.9 billion. I'm not surprised. Why? Because they have a lot of cash to play with, right? They have a lot of cash to play with. They have a lot of cash to invest in forex, in equity funds, in treasury bills, in all that. They have cash, which give me a lot of confidence, right? Then, if you look at let's look at their asset. The asset will also grow by 1.6 billion. This is massive, right? So which shows that these guys are really doing very, very well. And one of the things I check also is to see that investors pulling their money in, or they are pulling their money out. If a company, let's say a company now, if investors are selling their stocks, right, they don't want to hold that stock, it's a red flag for me. But we can see an increase in total shareholder fund from 149.9 to 187 billion. Massive, guys. Massive, guy. Massive, massive, massive. So looking at this right now, yeah, and this is one of the reasons why I keep buying this stock over and over and over again. Why? Okay, so now let's even go back to the price. If you have not subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe right now. Imagine when you join our community, see what you're going to be getting, right? Look at the value you're already getting right now. So imagine if you are now inside our community. Okay, so this is the chart, right? This is the chart. Even this year, it touched around 21 naira before there was a pullback, but that's nothing to worry about, right? So right now, my buying zone around this stock right now is around 18 naira. 18 naira. But right now, there might still be a little bit of pullback to 17 naira zone, right? So if you pull back to 17.45, because I'm investing for a long time, I don't want to. I don't want to do like I don't care about the price. No, I need to care about the price. So if I'm entering with 1 million naira right now, I'm gonna do 400 with this current price of 18 naira, right? But if you pull back more, which give me confidence here, and this is where I'm going to enter again at 17 naira, which should give me a lot of confidence here. So around this 17.15 naira zone, I will buy. If you pull back again, another opportunity for me, right? So I'm not going to deploy all my money right now at 18 naira zone. I'm going to wait because we are seeing a bearish candle right now, right? We are seeing a bearish candle, and most people who are selling this stock are those who have not really checked the numbers and see and understand how these business are making money. Probably they bought it when it was around 21 naira this same year, right? This same year it touched 21 naira before a pullback. So maybe probably those people who bought it are hoping that it touch 30 naira, and now they are at loss and they are selling. So let them sell while we buy. This is a very solid stuff for me. So what are you waiting for? You have not subscribed? Subscribe now. Hit the notification button right now so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one, you'll just be notified immediately. And if you want to join our community, you have access to our stock recommendation, early stock recommendation. You have access to our private WhatsApp community. You have access to our monthly webinars. You have access to a one-on-one consultation with me. You also have access for a portfolio review. What are you waiting for? Come on, join in right now. And I cannot wait to welcome you inside our community. Until the next time, there's a video popping up right now on this screen. Click on any one of them to learn more about how to be profitable from the stock market. See you on the next one. God bless you guys.